very, well, it gives you the capability to see the dashboard of the vehicle and track officer behavior. So it shoots up alerts. So one of the things that we have done is we set a threshold for the number of alerts before there's an intervention. Many times when you have an accident, there are many activities that happens before the accident, and each time. So when you do something that is, if you're sharp right or speeding or sharp left, those generate an alert, and you can set what requires the alert, the criteria for the alert. And when that happens, we intervene and try to change driver behavior before an accident, in preserving, first of all, the officer, and secondly, the asset. So we use it, and looking forward for the new version, Ambassador, where we will now be able to interact with not just the dashboard, but also the dash cam, where you can see, again, all of this is for mainly for officer safety.